The toxic-free label is everywhere in 2026. But at Wade Media Labs, we wanted to know if these ceramic sets are truly inert, or if they're leaching heavy metals into your food. We audited 10 leading ceramic sets, using laboratory-grade testing to detect trace levels of lead, cadmium, and arsenic. It's time to move past marketing and look at the chemistry. We used a standardized leaching test, subjecting the pans to a 4% acetic acid solution at boiling temperatures for 2 hours. This simulates the most aggressive acidic cooking environments.
We analyzed the samples using I, C, P, mass spectrometry.
While most pans met federal safety standards, 3 units showed detectable trace levels of heavy metals that weren't listed on the box. Our data suggests a direct link between coating density and leaching resistance. High-density mineral matrices effectively seal the base metal, while porous, low-quality ceramics allow for chemical migration. Only 5 sets passed our audit with a zero-leach verification. These winners represent the pinnacle of metallurgical safety and chemical integrity in the modern kitchen. A safe kitchen starts with verified materials. In the workshop of the kitchen, what you can't see is just as important as what you can. See the full heavy metal logs, the chemical audit charts, and our 5 zero-leach winners at cookwarescout.com. Look for the ceramic leaching report.